Whoa! Why did my car stop while there's sped up?
Let's explore how energy transfers during collisions. When objects collide, energy transfers from one to the other. In elastic collisions, objects bounce back. In inelastic ones, they stick together. Car engineers use collision science to design safer vehicles by controlling energy transfer. See how the energy from one marble transfers to the next, causing movement. Notice how energy is shared between the cars based on their speed and mass. Crash tests measure energy transfer to design crumple zones that protect passengers. In every collision, energy is transferred, and the total energy stays conserved. Cool, right?